How's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. This is a follow-up video about macOS 11.1. So as you know, Apple just released another update nearly 2 weeks ago, and finally we have a new update now which fixes some problems which I had with my MacBook Pro. This is a MacBook Pro from 2015 and is being great so far, no problems whatsoever. So the first update that Apple released was the Big Sur update was terrible, and many people was complaining that they had problems, even including me. I had a problem with most likely with the battery, not so much with the performance, but the battery was terrible. And nearly 2 weeks after, we had another update, so Big Sur 11.1, and now I can confirm that this update is good. It's stable, fixes some problems that I had with this machine. Particularly, this is a MacBook Pro from 2015 with 512 SSD, 16 gigabytes. But yeah, this machine is great. I edit all my videos, 100 plus videos I edit on this machine, and still it's solid rock. So the first thing that I did when I update, I checked the battery, so I performed a couple of battery tests. But before the update, the battery was draining so fast. Even when I just checking emails, watching videos, the battery was draining so fast. And after I updated the Mac OS 11.1, now the version is pretty stable. The battery is good, doesn't drain as was before. I can confirm, yeah, this is being fixed. Other problem that I had with the update was with some applications, most likely the phone boot. So the phone boot app that you have on your Mac was not working, but now this is being fixed, so I can confirm that the phone boot now it's working. But yeah, other than that, I didn't have any problems with applications. I checked all my applications on my Mac, and all applications works fine after the update, so I can confirm no problems whatsoever with applications. But yeah, performance, we know Apple, they optimize pretty well, and the version is pretty good. I didn't have any problems with the performance. The performance actually, I feel like more snappy. Open, so let's say you open application for some reason, and works fine, no problems whatsoever. You know, the version is good, takes seconds to open, but performance is good, no problems whatsoever. My issue was the battery and the phone boot app. Now the app is working, so I can confirm this version of the Mac OS is stable. So if you're on a previous version, you definitely should update because fixes some problems. But yeah, this was a just quick video just to let you know. Let me know what do you want to see next. But yeah, this version is good. My name is Stefan. Let me know what do you think in the comments down below. Leave your options there. Let me know if you're on the same version, or if you have any problems with your Mac, or if you're on a even older version. So yeah, this is Stefan. I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button if you do, subscribe if you didn't, and I'll see you in the next video.